All right. Welcome back to another video. Let's see what we're gonna do today. Well, this is what we are up to. Oh, look at that stress card. Bummer. Ooh. Now look, we don't give a crap about stress, and I'll tell you why. Because this card is not about anxiety stress or pressure stress or any of that garbage. No. This is about how we are stressing the fact that we are the jugglers of the light. See it up here by all the candles? We are the trumpeters of the goody good news about our yellow squares on our red chakra shirt. What's that? The yellow squares are those boxes of joy that we are spreading in our personal world, in our relationships, in our workplaces, in the little teeny tiny interactions that we have all day long with the people, places, and things around us. And the red is the root chakra shirt. That means that we are wearing a brand new material world that is rolling and expanding, just like these red bubbles coming in. Round and round, forward on the green heart chakra world, we're controlling the little monkey who does what? Who, when we pull that string, will pop that little balloon and allow us to have change come in over and over again. This is stressing the fact that we are well-oiled manifestation machines and that we are have the secret to manifestation, which is to trumpet your voice, let your words flow, let the world know that you're real, know that you're valuable, know that you're unique, you know that you are a worthwhile person in this world. So, the other thing about the stress card is, look at the number 7. That's the number for God, source, universe. Oh, it's so good when 7 is in the root chakra diamond red there. Why? Well, because if God is the foundation of our material world, and we are going to have everything that we're really looking for to come to pass, let's stress that God, source, universe is here to help. It's here animating the whole circus that we are roaming around in. And yeah, it is a pretty big, crazy circus at times, isn't it? Oh, why? What? People and things do stuff and cause you stress. Ooh, who cares? It's just energy. Look at all that yellow light glow coming in here. Energy, experience, we don't care. If people want to run around and be angry, if they want to run around and honk their horn, if they want to give us the middle finger, what? Did I just say that? If they want to do all this, with that white light, yellow light energy, if they want to trumpet a bunch of garbage at us, who cares? We're going to be able to collect all of that energy, whether it's negative or positive from others. We're going to be able to pull it into our little boxes of light and express it out in all of the dance of our day-to-day experience. So, let's go ahead and grab another card and find out what's coming next, because we are on the top of our game. Oh yeah, and we're in this circus, and you know what? What a great adventure it is. What a really fun amusement park. Yeah, sometimes we go and do the, that little scary haunted house parts of it, but who cares about that? We don't care. Sometimes it gets all dark and weird and oh no, I don't feel right. I don't feel well. Something's wrong. Now, this isn't about illness at all. It's not about physical health. This is just about that space where we sit down and we tend to our old self that is changing and dying out so that our new self can be reborn into our day-to-day experience. So we're just kind of cuddling in there and being like, you did good, little old self. You grew really well in the world. You went out and trumpeted all your good words. You persevered thanklessly sometimes. Right. You put up with all that BS. You were able to survive. And now you're tired, and that's okay. You come into this little hospital space, which is not a real hospital. It's just a spiritual placeholder for you to understand that as we continue to live in the world, we change and grow old over and over again as our experiences unfold and we cycle through them. The birth, death, rebirth, death experience. And look, she's wearing her purple robe, her purple nightie. Why? Because she's gathered all that wisdom from all of her beautiful experiences that she's been doing in the world, and it's time for her to take a rest. And all this means is it's time for us to put our old self down, to say, good job, you did all right, with all the pluses and minuses and smiles and frowns. It's okay. Just relax. And look what we have here. What? These two represent our angels, our the spiritual watchers. We can see that because they have that yellow hue and they're not really material looking. They look a little see-through in the card. Here's us in the world. Here's the little helpers beyond that are sitting there mindfully wishing wonderful things for us. Not to quote the Bible, but Jesus kind of said it. He said, hey, I'm going to go ahead where you can't go. I'll go ahead of you and I will prepare a place for you to be. And that means that we've got all this backing that we don't even see that's going on in the universe in our favor. And you are favored. You are charmed. You are chosen. You are armed with the light of God flowing through you. And look at this. Your blouse is speckled with all of these little wisdom dots. What is that? That's all the times that you've done this over and over again. You've been of service to the world, of service to your family, of service to the strangers, to the angels, to the everyone, service to the light, service to the it's all right, service to the day and the night of your life. It's so okay. It's all okay. And look, you're going to make it through it again. You're going to let it all go and become another version of yourself that is getting ready. Ooh, I missed the card. Getting ready to pop in. And what happens when that renewal comes in? Oh, it's a little weird. We don't know what's going on. It's like being born again. Ooh, it's like being born in a new reality, one where everything maybe is a little, feeling like it's a little insecure, like we're not quite sure what we should do or not do. That's a good time to get into that mindful, conscious space so that you can just relax, slow it down, take a few deep breaths, let your talking get slower. Be mindful of your movements. Know that you're being born again in the world. You're getting new vision. Oh, Abraham Lincoln. I love that penny right there because I was just talking about that yesterday. And look at this. Now you can see those spiritual watchers that are, let me get that card, waiting for you back here. They're watching you here, and now they are showing up here as the two owls. As you are born with this new vision, you can see this womb from the tree of life giving birth. And look at that. There's the mountain of white light. There's the third eye of night waiting to bring a new day of your resurrection into the world. This is such a good thing. So you don't have to worry about anything really, just go with the flow. Know that it is a series of seasons of humans being and maturing and then dying out. Not literally, I don't mean it like that. I just mean the sets of emotional and mental activities that we are doing and focused on, the guidance that we get and that we take actions on, that propels us forward to emit light into the world, to really be those people who are packing the world with light under some stressful situations. And as we wear out or as we run out of that juggling act and we put ourselves to rest, then we are resurrected again. It's the never-ending space of recreation and this vision that you're getting now about the little inklings of what you might do next or what maybe is a good solution to an issue or what you want to create next or, I don't know, what direction you want to go in next. You're going to get that all formulating. Before long, it's going to become strong again. Just chill out and pay attention, mindful and conscious and slow down. And the pieces of the puzzle are going to all come together. You've got the two beautiful dolphins here with you. Again, we saw it in the first card when we saw it as the two watchers next to your old version of yourself that was passing away. Then we saw it in the other card when we saw it as the two owls sitting there witnessing your birth and renewal. Now we see it as the dolphins as you become the maiden again. What is the maiden? It is the one that can swim, that can be young and float, that can dive deep and go to the edge of the spaces, the one that has beauty, the one that knows she's special, the one that is better than her old version of herself. She's become reborn again. You're constantly being updated, reborn, rematured, expanding the universe. So just pay attention to your next little puzzle pieces of what you can do to move on your new vision, We're going to pull one more card and see what this all ends up at. It's coming from this deck over here. What's it going to be? We are not afraid. We are so optimistic. We know that life is just a beautiful roller coaster ride. Round and around we go. We're not concerned at all because of the miracle of life being reborn, the birth again, 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 and again. Look at the three of them, the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, or the Self, the Spirit, and both of them combined, forming you as a unit, a spearhead of God's ever-advancing creation, born again over and over on the tree of life as those new versions of you. Wow, my life is a miracle. It's that simple. Have fun with it and just stay open-minded. Yeah, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow along daily. It's easy. You just watch the video and see what happens. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you soon. Take care.